Okay. Hello beautiful people, good afternoon, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. In today's video I want to make coconut rice. So this is my rice, and this is my coconut milk. This is coconut milk, is frozen, so that is why it's looking like that. And Maggi, salt, I have crayfish, pepper and onion, and this is fish. This is cumbia fish for my coconut rice. So guys, let's get started. First I will wash my rice and parboil. While the rice is on fire, I will wash my pepper and onion and pound it. I'll add crayfish and pound. I want to cut onion. Salt, Maggi, this is fish, and this is coconut milk. Stir it. It's time to cook the rice. guys, let's check the rice. Ooh. Coconut rice is almost ready. It's almost ready. Delicious. So I'm waiting for the water to dry. Delicious. Delicious. Alright guys, so let's check the rice. Ooh, the water is dry. I think it's ready. It's ready. So let me dish the rice. This is very delicious. Wow. So guys, the rice is ready. You see our coconut rice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Photo. So sweet though. Sweet, delicious. Yummy. Ooh. Thank you very much for watching. Mwah.